And that. Okay. Let's try this one first. Okay. Now take that out of here. Let's try the red to red. And just do it. Touch, attack. Come on. Should be enough. I need weight on that. That's what I need. That one. All the way, all the way. Okay. This is why I need that little vise over here. Oh fuck, I'm so close. Now if I can get this down that and over. Oh, I missed. Shit. I think this is small enough. Remember I was telling you how the heat shrink can shrink? Well, that's what happened. So let's take this off and try it again. Might be able to stop the heat from traveling if I use this. I may have to get the smaller ones. Come on. See, the heat shrink will help from it shorting out to the other wire, but it'll also help hold that solder joint. I'll just let it cool for a minute. Let's see what happens. Alright. I got the one on. The other one, it's not where I want it to be, but it's okay. Okay, now let's see if we can do something here to help strengthen that other one up a little bit. Alright. That wire was small. Now, did it work? Now it's not going to transfer data. That's what the green one and the white one were for. The red and black is the power. But I don't care about that. I don't care about the red and black. Oh, there it is. Let me say, where's my phone? Okay, so let's plug this in. So is it going to work, or is it going to short out, or what? Let's see what happens. Bingo. Came on. And it's showing that it's charging. Now, let's move this around a little bit. I do believe we got it, guys. Yep, good. All right. Shows the little charge mark, so it was doing what it's supposed to do. Yeah. Now, once I get it in there, I may put a little bit more support on it now. What do I want to put there? What do I want to put there? I don't want to put any glue. Maybe I'll put some of that liquid tape just to strengthen that up a little bit more. Make it kind of rubbery. That means I'm not going to be able to do anything with it just yet, but at least we know it will work. Am I out of the tube? I have it in the can with a brush. But apparently, I'm not out of it with the tube. But, there. I'm going to let you hang this way. Oh boy, I'm going to let you hang this way. Yeah. Nothing like the opposite of hanging. Huh? Now, let's put you in the vice upright. Ooh. I'll put you in the vice upright.